This is an 18-in-1 soap. Can you believe that? 18-in-1, guys. You can wash your face, your hair, your body, your hands, your pets, dishwashing, laundry, scrubbing the toilet, cleaning the window. You know why I clicked the link? Because they said the soap is used by celebrities like Meghan Markle, Lady Gaga. You don't need a lot of water. There's no wastage in water. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. To the newcomers, welcome to the old timers, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Sunday again, Sunday. Yeah, so it's Sunday again, guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing this product from Dr. Bronner. So this is a castle soap. So they call this the magic soap. This is an 18-in-1 soap. Can you believe that? 18-in-1, guys. So Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1. You can wash your face, your hair, your body, your hands, your pets, dishwashing, laundry, scrubbing the toilet, cleaning the window, dust mites. You can also use it for the ants and aphids. You can also use it for cleaning the fruits. You can use it for brushing your teeth. So you can also use it for scrubbing whatever you want to scrub. That's a lot of use. Can't believe one soap for everything. You don't need to buy any other soap anymore. Only Dr. Bronner's. It's a very nice product. It's fair trade and it's organic. So I've known Dr. Bronner's because I read an article online about it. They said that this soap is a magic soap, it's a castle soap, it's organic, and guess what? You know why I clicked the link? Because they said the soap is used by celebrities like Meghan Markle, Lady Gaga. I was like, really? So I clicked the soap, and the second thing I knew is I'm looking for it in Singapore if they're selling it. So I found it on Watsons. So let's review this soap. And by the way, this is not a paid review, okay? Because I'm just reviewing this to help people in the future if the product is good or not. So what is this Dr. Bronner's? Well, if you buy the soap, you can see that there's all the writings there. You can read it. No, seriously, so Dr. Bronner's is an 18-in-1. So this is the lavender. This is the tea tree, which is finished by the way because I use this. And I have the smaller one, which is the citrus. So 18-in-1, guys. Can you believe it? That's why they call it the magic soap, because it's 18-in-1. And it's not just a magic soap because it's actually organic and there's no harsh ingredients. And this one is a castle soap. So this soap, I have been using this for 3 months. This was the first bottle, the tea tree. Look, these are the 3 different sizes of it. Small, medium, and large. But I saw that they have a bigger one. Bigger than this. So, there's so many uses, but I mainly use this soap as my body wash. Hand wash. I sometimes use it for my face. I tried to use it as a shampoo, but I think I'm happy with my other shampoo because I use it. I mean, it's not bad. I really feel that it's squeaky clean. Very clean, but I feel like it's gonna dry my hair. So I had to use a conditioner after it. It's too clean. It's like I wash my hair without dishwashing liquid. Maybe because I have a long hair. I actually washed my hair with this today. So I only use it for my hair shampoo twice. Yeah, so I have to use a conditioner. But I think I'm happy with my other shampoo. I mean, you can use it for shampoo. I think if you have a shorter hair or if you're a guy and you're traveling, that's good. Because me, I'm a bit, picky with my shampoo, what I use with my hair. So, I'm gonna pass it on for the shampoo, but mainly using it for my body wash. So, it's empty. So this is the T3. This is the first bottle of Dr. Bronner's that I use. So for this size, 473 ml, I use this for 3 months. Not bad. Because you have to dilute it, so you don't use a lot of it. I don't dilute a lot, so I just put a bit of the liquid. They said you have to dilute, but I wash it with the running water, so it dilutes anyway. Yeah, you don't need to use a lot of it. That's what the good thing about this soap is. So yeah, so for body wash, I really like it because you don't need a lot of water. There's no wastage in water, and it's very soft, velvety soft. You know, it's not too much bubbles, but you feel it's. You know what it feels like when I was young. You know when you blow bubbles, it's the same. When you put it on your skin, the bubbles, it's a bit soapy, right? It's the same, but this one doesn't have a lot of bubble residue. It's very velvety soft on your skin, and once you take it out with water, I like it because it's not a waste of water. I've used a shower gel before, some body wash before. I don't like it when it stays in your skin and it doesn't, you know, I feel like, oh my god, it's such a waste of water. Why is it still in my skin? That's why I like this Dr. Bronner's. And after that, my skin is actually soft. Squeaky clean, but it's soft. So the instruction to use is all here if you read it. I haven't read everything about this, you know. Every time I shower, I want to read it, but there's too much information in here. Too much information, guys. You see? It's all written with something. Yeah, but I really like it as a body wash. And you have to know that I have an eczema. So yeah, it doesn't trigger my eczema. And it's very soft to your skin. So I also read on the article that Meghan Markle and other celebrities, they like this. This is the lavender. They like this to use for as a body wash. Yeah, this is the best-selling smell. But I want to try in the future the peppermint. They have a peppermint, and also they have the one without the smell, also for babies. So that's good. It's a very good soap. Fair trade, organic. So the prices for this one, it's not so cheap for normal soap. The more normal soap is cheaper, obviously, but this is a very good product. Okay, 18 in 1, you have to remember. So in Watsons, this size 946 ml, it's $35, $34.90 in Watsons. So I rounded off to 35. 10 cents is mine. Joke. So yeah, $34.90 for this 946 ml. For the medium one, the price for 473 ml is $23 Singapore dollars. For the smaller one, 237 ml, this is $14.90. I round up to 15. It's easier to remember, okay? $15 from Watsons, 15, 23, and how much is this again? 35, 23, 15. Okay, from Watsons. This soap, this is not just a hype, okay? I don't think it's just a hype. I don't think it's just a write-up about it. I don't think it's just about the celebrities that use it, because normal people like me also use it, and I really like the product. Yeah, it's what I like about this is organic, and if you run out of something in your house to clean something, you can always use this one. And I really like it as a soap. This is a good product. Never turning back. That's why I bought another bottle, the lavender. And I'm just gonna continue using it in the future until there's another product that I have to try, right? Yeah. So it's a good product. I really like the lavender because I only tried for now the lavender T3. The citrus I never tried, is still closed. So yeah. I think for the price for this one, because this one I use for 3 months. I don't know how long I'm gonna use this. Maybe 6 months or 8 months, right? Not bad for the price. You're welcome. Yes, you're welcome, guys. I'm your tita guinea pig. Stay safe and stay healthy. I'm your friendly tita sa Manila that lives in Singapore. Saying ciao arrivederci. Let me go clean our house with Dr. Bronner's. Ciao.